Web development is one of the most in-demand and high-paying skills you can learn today. The best part? You don't need a degree or expensive equipment to get started. In this guide, I'll walk you through a clear, practical roadmap to becoming a web developer from scratch in 2026. Step 1. Understand what web development is before you start. You need to understand the field. Web development is broadly divided into 3 areas. Front-end development, what users see, design, layout, buttons. Back-end development, how things work behind the scenes, servers, databases. Full-stack development, a combination of both front-end and back-end. As a beginner, it's best to start with front-end development because it's easier to visualize and practice. Step 2. Learn the basic building blocks: HTML, CSS, JavaScript. These are the core technologies of the web. HTML, structure of a web page. CSS, styling, colors, layout, responsiveness. JavaScript, interactivity, buttons, animations, logic. Start with HTML, then CSS, and finally JavaScript. Focus on understanding, not memorizing. Step 3. Practice by building simple projects. Don't just watch tutorials, build things. Start with a personal portfolio website, a simple landing page, a login form, a basic calculator. Projects help you gain real skills and confidence. Step 4. Learn version control, Git and GitHub. Version control helps you manage your code and collaborate with others. Learn basic Git commands. Create a GitHub account. Upload your projects. This also serves as your portfolio when applying for jobs. Step 5. Learn responsive design. Your websites must work on phones, tablets, and desktops. Learn media queries. Understand mobile-first design. Practice using Flexbox and Grid. This is a critical skill in 2026 because most users browse on mobile devices.